Hey everyone, this is Aaron and I from the Cisco Spaces product team. And in today's video, we're going to be quickly reviewing how we can configure and export room occupancy reports in the Space Utilization app. So let's scroll down and jump into the app. Alrighty. So if we go on the left here, we'll go down and we'll see the utilization export. Here on the main screen, we'll see all of the reports that have been previously generated. You can download those. You can see what type of report they were, what location they were for, etc. So let's jump in and create a new report. So as you can see here, we can report on multiple levels. The building level being the highest. We can roll down to the floor level or down to the room level, assuming that the proper hardware, whether it's WebEx devices or third-party sensors, are able to detect presence and thus pull data back into Cisco Spaces for reporting. So for the sake of this video, we'll start at the highest level and we'll create a buildings report. So this is going to give us all of the data seen here. So we'll go to next. Let's pick a building. Let's go with the San Jose building, demo building, and building in Tokyo. So we'll make sure we'll get a good spread of data. Next, we can specify a date range. We can make the report reoccurring, so we can generate a report weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and then we can report a time interval that will show either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. So for this video, we'll just stick with 15. We don't need a recurring one, and we'll do a specified date range. Let's just go back to beginning of this year up until today. Then we'll hit next. Next, we'll get all of our filtering options. So as you can see here, we can filter by days of the week. We can filter by specific hours. And then we can also filter by the capacity of rooms. So if you have rooms with varying capacities, those will show here, and we can select or deselect those options depending on how we want this report to pull. So we'll just stick with what's here. We can see that there's 21 rooms that are going to show in this report, tons of lines of data, so 59,000 lines of data across 79 days. So let's go ahead and create that report. And now that that report is generated, we can go to it here. We can see all of the information in terms of the number of buildings we have, number of rooms that were pulled in, the reporting interval, and the date in which we want this report to produce. If there was data, it would show the rows here. Maybe let's go back and let's see if we can find one that has data that's populated. Let's go to report night 90. And here we go. So you see we have all the same information on the top, and then we get our rows of data. So we'll get the workspace, the date, all of the relevant information, and then that can be, of course, downloaded or exported into other systems, whether it be for business analytics or just other places that are a source of truth for your organization. Pretty straightforward and easy to use app. So that is the utilization reports built within the Spaces Utilization app in Cisco Spaces. Thank you so much for your time. Until the next video.